So this little area of our home has been a work in progress for a while. We started out just by painting that brick paneling white, then went ahead and decided to paint the cabinets white, and then I decided to go ahead and paint the back of the bookcases white. Our little floating shelves you see there actually came with the trailer. They just didn't have any sort of trim on the front, so Chad just ripped some barnwood and air nailed it to the front and gave it that floating shelf look. So I like them quite a bit, and they were really easy to do. I went ahead and painted the mantle white, just trying to keep things lightened up. You can see over in the corner some of our wall is barnwood and tin, so just way too much brown, way too much dark stuff. So went ahead and painted that white. And then we took this 1x8 pine board that we use for our shiplap in the other rooms, and we just traced it. Made sure it was level and traced it with a regular Sharpie. I didn't even buy a fancy paint Sharpie, I just got a regular Sharpie. And this was the result.